Okay, if you got code P0AA6, you're checking for continuity to ground, and you're going through things and you get to this. Let's say you got all this apart and you're checking individually, and you get to this one connector on the sensor wire and you touch it, and it looks like for a second you got continuity, and you're like, oh well, there's something wrong with the harness, where I found the problem. No, let me show you why it's a no. Here's a pack with weak modules. Has never had an AA6 code, P0AA6. And where's my other lead? I should have come prepared, huh? All right, you can do the same thing here and get the same result. And I've done this with other packs too. It's pretty consistent on every pack. That one wire going into the control module. If you disconnect it from the control module, it won't do that. If it's connected to the control module, it does do that. And you might think, well, that's a bad control module. Well, then every module I've ever seen is bad, which it's not. So it's a nothing burger. So don't get misled by that. This one had a leaky cell right here. Number 23 was leaking at the terminal, and that was running down here and running down here, and you can see it was running down here and here, and it just left a trail. Here's the module. Let's see, is it that one or that one? Okay, it was this side right here. See how it looks kind of funky right there at the terminal? It's kind of melty right there, and that was running down, getting on the case and making a path for the high voltage to make it to the case. So I hope this helps. A whole nother playlist of hybrid battery stuff right here. Isn't that right, Tigger?